In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging slideshow in CapCut with dynamic effects. First, open up your CapCut application and start a new project. You'll find this option right on the main screen after launching the app. It's designed to be very user-friendly, so starting a new project should be straightforward. Once you've started your new project, it's time to import the photos you want to use. Navigate to your library and select multiple still photos. Aim for a cohesive theme or story in your selection to maximize impact. When you have your chosen photos, simply drag and drop them onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. You can see a preview of your slideshow take shape right below. And don't worry if you change your mind about the order. You can always rearrange them. Now let's add some movement to your photos to really make them pop. Head over to the Effects tab, which is usually located on the left side of your screen. Under this tab, you'll find various options. But for this project, let's select the Shake effect. This effect adds a dynamic, eye-catching element to still images, making them more lively and energetic. Apply the Shake effect to each photo individually by dragging the effect from the library and dropping it directly onto your photo clips in the timeline. After adding the Shake effect, it's important to fine-tune it so that it looks just right. You'll want to adjust the strength and speed of the shake. The strength determines how intense the shake is, while the speed controls how fast it shakes. Play around with these settings until you find a combination that suits the mood you're trying to convey. You can always test the adjustments by pressing the play button to preview how each change looks in real time. To add an extra touch of professionalism, let's add a fade-in and fade-out effect to seamlessly introduce and conclude your photo slideshow. This effect gives your video a polished look and makes transitions between scenes smoother. If you're adding a white clip at the beginning or the end of your project, you can apply these fades to it. Simply select the white clip in your timeline. Go to the Transition menu and choose the Fade In and Fade Out options. Adjust the duration to your preference for a subtle yet noticeable effect. That's it. You've now created a visually engaging slideshow in CapCut with animated shake effects and smooth transitions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to tweak and iterate on what you've learned today. Keep experimenting with different effects and transitions to further hone your editing skills. Thanks for watching and happy editing.